Hello, my name is Donicius Meraka, founder and CEO of Reava Pay. So today I'm going to talk about Reava Pay. So Reava Pay is an app that enables users to make group payments. And what do I mean by group payments? Basically, think of a scenario where we have a group of people taking dinner or doing a traveling together for a vacation or an event, or cost sharing housing and utility bills, or a family event or a wedding, a baby shower, and such and forth. So in such groups or gatherings, you find that people always make payments, but do we have a solution that they can use to make this kind of payments? Yes, somehow we have. For example, we have M-Pesa, we have banks, we have other payment methods like Airtel, etc. But if you look at how the payments are managed across these platforms, there's no that social element integrated into the payments. So Reava Pay brings that social element integrated with payments, and we are offering that experience to the users. So think of it a group of people making frequent expenses, bills, and sharing together the costs, and they're able to define the split criteria, which defines the amount each participant is supposed to contribute, after which the user settles the split. So I'm going to show so the intended customer, and the research that I've looked into of the problem itself is that today, for example, in Kenya alone, we have over 92% penetration of mobile payment wallets, and most users, quite a number of them, have smartphones. So which means almost all the users with smartphones and mobile wallets can be able to use the app in their day-to-day bills and expenses sharing events. The intended audience, of course, is we're looking at all the youths to start with. So anyone above the age of 18 qualifies to use the app. And based on the use cases that we can see in the solution itself, we can have segmentation of customers in terms of how we are targeting them. For example, we are targeting students because of the cost sharing aspect, roommates, sharing of utility bills, sharing of shopping expenses and costs, etc. Also, if you look at working people or working staff, we could have things like team building events or vacations or friends dinner, evening outs and such events, birthdays, marriage, weddings, arrangements, or fundraisings can also be done on the app. So the value proposition is huge. So apart from bringing that social aspect and strengthening the social interaction aspect in society, and innovatively bringing payments and the societal aspect together, it's a huge value to society, not only directly but indirectly. Also, as the app, we have a referral program that is inbuilt, that is likely to make so many youths millions of men actually. The market growth potential is huge because we're targeting the entire Africa. And so the challenge we're having here is connecting as many payment methods so that users can be able to use the app wherever they are comfortably without any problem. For example, today the app is able to prompt users with their share amount as an SDK push, whereby they just need to key in the PIN, after all the collections have been done, the user can proceed to settle the bill. And then at the point of settling the bill, the user has an option of paying to a till, a pay bill, or a registered M-Pesa number. So far we've supported M-Pesa fully on the platform, and our initial target market is Kenya. The enabling technologies, we have quite a number of them. I'll talk about them in a high level. For example, we have WhatsApp, which we've fully integrated into the system. We have SMS's M-Pesa integration. We've used Flutter for the mobile app, Laravel microservices for the backend. We have a couple of AI integrations that we are working on finalizing on. That I'm working on and finalizing on. Yeah. So the app, so far I've been building this app for 2 years now, and it's ready for use. So the next step is actually fine-tuning the idea itself and scaling across the region. So other than that, I'm going to share a couple of screenshots just to give you a feel of how the app looks like. So this is the splash screen when the app is loading. So in the, at the initial point when the user installs the app, we have an onboarding screen. This is the start of it. As you can see, we're talking about split bills instantly. So this is a bill splitting service or split service. You can track group expenses. So there are different types of splits. You can have a single split or a group split. A group split comes in handy when you want to bundle multiple bills or expenses together over a long period of time, especially in the case of a vacation or roommates and such. You can create split criterias, which gives you how much each is supposed to contribute at the end of the day. You can settle up just in one tap to either pay bill or a till or an registered M-Pesa number. Also, this is the login screen. We have a couple of options. You can log in using an email or a registered phone number. You can log in using a PIN, which you can set on your and under your profile settings section. You can log in using OTPs, and there are two ways of delivering OTPs. Three actually. You could deliver the OTP to email or WhatsApp or SMS. This is the screen registration window. As you can see, we've minimally captured the most essential information that we need for the split service to work. This is the PIN screen. This is the OTP screen, forgot screen section, and this is the dashboard once you've logged into the app successfully. This is the earning section. So about the referral program, for every successful, so we have 3 packages that users can subscribe to. The premium package of $6.99 gives a user a unique referral code that they can use to onboard users. So that code, every time they register a user successfully, they get like 25 bob, and every time the users they onboard transact, they get a commission of 20% from the transaction charges. So as you can see, we have 2 types of splits. Yeah. So that's the end of it.